In this video, I am going to show you how to sell crypto via P2P trading on KuCoin app. Selling crypto assets through P2P trading on the KuCoin app is a convenient way to exchange cryptocurrencies with the users. Follow these steps to initiate a sell order. 1. Log into your KuCoin app and tap on Trade and then select Fiat from the menu. Alternatively, you can directly tap on P2P or buy crypto from the app homepage. You can utilize either the P2P zone or fast trade feature for trading with other users. P2P zone. Tap on Sell and select the cryptocurrency you wish to sell. Browse through the available offers on the market and select your preferred offer by tapping Sell. Review the seller's payment information and terms and then enter the amount of crypto you want to sell or the fiat amount you wish to receive. Tap Sell Now to confirm the order. Once your sell order is generated, wait for the buyer to make the payment to your scheduled payment method, and you can initiate chat with the buyer by tapping on Chat if necessary. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.